Sandile Tabula, now I'm a Palestinian Kena. Sandile Tabula, now I'm a Palestinian Kena. Sandile Tutula, now I'm a Palestinian Kena. Sandile Tutula, now I'm a Palestinian Kena. Ututula banjani, ututula Zimbabwe. Ututula banjani, uyawesaba amapalestina. Ututula banjani, ututula Zimbabwe. Ututula banjani, uyawesaba amapalestina. Sandile Tabula, now amapalestina ngena. Sandile Tabula, now amapalestina ngena. Mjali. Sandile Tutula, now amapalestina ngena. Sandile Tutula, now amapalestina ngena. Ututula banjani, ututula Zimbabwe. Ututula banjani, uyawesaba amapalestina. Ututula banjani, ututula Zimbabwe. Ututula banjani, uyawesaba amapalestina. Sandile Tabula, now amapalestina ngena.
One thing about Operation Tutula and March, cowards bona. You're like cowards, guys. I've seen how many times you guys have been tagging me about the videos of the Palestinians being in the country, and there was a march in Point. I saw all of that. Yes, I was just a little busy, but all I can say is that Operation Tutula and March, cowards who come for hopeless people, cowards that come for people that can't defend themselves. Right now, Palestinians are in the country, and do you know what they're doing? They are only posting about them. Why are you posting about them? Why don't you go and stop them the same way you guys are stopping people in clinics? Sick people for that matter. Why don't you stop the Palestinians? Don't post and tell us how the government is not how our president is not looking after our citizens. They're not thinking about us. Why would they bring Palestinians into the country? Why don't you go and physically stop them? You all knew what time they're going to land. Why you didn't go to the airport and go stop them? Because you guys cannot pass these borders. You cannot pass these gates. Go back to where you're coming from. But we all know why. We all know why. This is how they comb their hair. If you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. Because you guys can't fight your masters. You'll want to come for the hopelessness people. For the hopeless people, I mean. People that've got nothing. People that can't defend themselves in the name of we are fixing South Africa. Guys, we can see all the problems that we are having as a country. But chasing away a sick person. Meanwhile, we have, guys, Palestinians being in the country is not a small thing, no. It's not a small thing, no. But what are you doing? Only posting Palestinians this, Palestinians that. We want action. The same way you'll wake up, going to villages, knocking and evicting people that are paying rent. They are paying rent in those houses. They are not staying there for free. I'm talking about the ones that are paying rent. Don't come here and say, but there are people who have hijacking buildings. I'm not talking about those ones. If you'll chase the ones that have hijacked buildings, good, number one, perfect. I'm talking about the ones that are renting. Door to door, they must leave. Indona said that you must leave. Hey, Palestinians are in the country. What are you doing, cowards? What are you doing?
Last month, we received 156 Palestinian illegal. And this month, yesterday, we received 153 illegal Palestinians again. And my question is that where is the Dodo operation? I was expecting them to Dodula at the airport, but I couldn't see anybody from the Dodo operation talks about that issue. So why are they not protest against them? Are they not a foreigner? I mean, we are talking about illegal people who are entering in the country illegal, in the public, in your eyes, and you can't do anything. Come on, what's going on with you? The Dodo operation, we are expecting something from you. Is it not, they're not blacks? You only allow white people illegal to enter in the country, right? Okay.
Sandile, Operation Dudula, where were you? 153 Palestinians were at the airport, people, for the whole day or even 2. You didn't go there to protest and chase them away. No, you decided to fold your hands and watch. People have been saying you are targeting Africans. You don't care about the Chinese. You don't care about the white people. You don't care about Australians. You don't care about other white people from other areas. No. Your focus is Africans. Now Palestinian presented an opportunity so that we can see that really we are chasing everybody out of our country. But no, you decided to fold your hands. You are supposed to prove to us that you are not targeting Africans. As much as I feel and I like Palestinians, I feel their struggle and their pain. But you people are pick and choosing now. Someone said you are funded by white people. I'm starting to believe that. There is problems in Palestine. Of course, there are problems in Zimbabwe. There is poverty in Zimbabwe. There is poverty and hunger in Malawi and other countries. There is poverty and war in Congo. There is poverty and war in Sudan. But no, when you see those people, those Africans, you chase them like you chase dogs. And now the Palestinians, they come and then you fold your hands. And what? They were right there at your doorstep at OR Tambo. This is your area, people, Dudula and Zandile. This is where you do things. But no. Really? You're choosing black people, but it's okay. It's okay. Because Ujamaa, a Muslim, pro-Muslim party, they decided to go and talk on behalf of their people. They share the same religion. They went there, they talk on their behalf, and they allow them in the country. While you chase Africans away from our country, they are bringing their own inside the country. Wake up and smell the shit, Zandile, before it's too late. It's going to be too late for Mama, for you, Mdana, if you can't wake up now. Have a nice evening.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Samzansi, guys. Yabona South Africa joke. South Africa njena ngilenye ijoke le ungeke uzoyivisise, because what is this? So labantu base Palestine laba fikile laba 156 laba fikile last week Friday. Was it last week Friday or last week Thursday? Laba fikile lapha OR Tambo without proper documentations. Babonakale laphana sebatoyitoya bamasha la South Africa baqula bo Free Palestine. Guys, kanjani on? People are confused ukuthi ayibonisa kanjani mavenenu nitomasha la South Africa nishaye bo Free Palestine la South Africa, and bekubonakala bangahambi bodwani bahamba nemaphoyisa kanjengoba sibona amaphoyisa they were escorting them. And balabaningi they are still shocked ukuthi kahle kwendakalani la South Africa. Nje uma ubuka le movie uyabona nasiyaskipa ba this is South Africa, guys. Lana njena kula Mzansi, and balabaningi they are so disappointed ukuthi kahle mdlalo omuni lo wendeka la South Africa. So moving right along as khuluma ndzaba labantu laba drega Operation Dudula laba drega imarch and march ukuthi hayibo bathule bathini nyalo njengoba Palestine afikile kusho ukuthi mhlambe bona as Operation Dudula members and march and march members do they just chase away ama-African kuphela yini bantu labana kamasandla labakama tinwele ngesandla babaqoshi, meaning abakama tinwele ngesandla ngilaba phela laba mhlophe, why bangabaqoshi bona? guys, this is really not fair. Each and every time when there's something like South Africa, nifuna drega Operation Tutula, nifuna drega March and March. This is not something a March and March or Operation Tutula, something yethu sonke as South Africans. Kumele silwe nayo ukuthi indaba abantu bokuhamba or whether bamhlophe or bamnyama, it doesn't matter. If umuntu okuhamba njena hamba kaya, already la South Africa's overcrowded. So imagine sekufika more people. Uthi Ramaphosa utobanika ama documents. Does it make sense though? Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.